happy Thursday. I am on my way home. It's a beautiful day, 85 degrees. I need to stop and get some gas here soon. And Katie has a doctor's appointment today, so I'll be taking her to that as well. But everything is good. Let's see. Seems like there was something I was going to tell you about. Something. I don't remember what it was, but yeah, I lost it. So anyway, not much has changed since the last vlog. Things are going well. We have Alex's graduation party coming up this Saturday, and I have all of his pictures ready to go. I need to put some on a bulletin board or something so that we can display them. And then I also have like kindergarten through 12th grade in a little border. I'll try to take some pictures so you guys can see what we did. I know that some people have said that the ideas help them with their ideas for their graduation, so I will see what I can do about that. Otherwise, things, like I said, are going well. I need to stop and get some gas on my way home. I'm running out. And so Alex is on my head just because he's kind of the highlight right now with everything that's going on with him. So that's the biggest. No real news on Katie, and no real news on Dennis, and no real change on me either. We did start a Bible study, my friends Tracy and Janie and I, and every Wednesday we are going to do a little Bible study. We've talked about maybe opening that up to other people and including others and all of that, but right now we're just going to keep it like it is with just the three of us. And then maybe eventually we will open that up to whoever wants to join and do something larger to include you guys if you guys are interested, and Tracy's friends and Janie's friends or whatever. So I don't know if that's something that you might be interested in. Let me know and we'll talk about it some more. It's not, I don't know, we've only done one, so we need to make sure that we are consistent and that this is something that we really enjoy before I want to open it up to anyone. But that is something that I've kind of thought about and we'd kind of talked briefly about, so we shall see. It took us a little while to get started, so I don't want to put the cart before the horse, but yeah, that's kind of where we're heading. And it was good, it was nice, and it's kind of nice to bond with people and get to know people in a little more intimate way, so that's interesting and it's cool. So that's one of the reasons that we thought that it might be neat to open it up, so we'll see. If you guys are interested in that, please let me know. What else? I need to go to CVS and do a little couponing and maybe even Target. And if I do, I will show you guys what I got and if I get any really good bargains. I have some extra care bucks that I need to use though, so I don't know if I'll be doing that tonight or when, but I'm going to be out and about after the doctor's appointment because I'm going to take Katie to that. So I don't know, I may or may not. And I'm also knitting. I'm working on a scarf right now, and it's a really cool like checkered pattern that I'd never done before, and it's actually not a hard pattern at all to do. It's just knitting and purling, but it is kind of hard to keep track of the pattern because you do 4 different rows, and then you do them again, and then you do a knit row, and then you do 4 different rows, and you do them again, and then you do a purl row. So it is different in how it used to be. This person was trying to turn there, and there's no turning there anymore. So I don't know what she was doing, but I think I'm gonna follow her so I can head to the gas station. So, I mean, it's just kind of hard to keep track of where you're at, because I try to knit and listen to a book, or knit and watch TV, or knit and talk to my family or whatever. So sometimes I don't pay as close attention to my knitting as maybe I should. So it's different, but I like it, and I think it's turning out well. It's not perfect because I have messed up a few times, but I am still going to be happy to use it or give it away. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. It was one of the kits I had purchased through Craftsy, so that worked out well. Oh, and I'm right here by Wendy's. I may stop and get a small chili. I like their chili. Okay, well, I am going to stop and get some gas, and I just wanted to check in and tell you guys hello, and I'm thinking of you, and all is good. Blessings. Bye-bye.